I discovered many things then about myself. I realized na talagang maikli lang talaga ang buhay ng tao. Kailangan mong i-treasure lahat ng moments na nandito ka. Na-realize ko na there's more to life than the pandemic. Batang GMA kasi ako. Lumaki na ako with them. Through the years, talagang inalagaan talaga ako ng GMA at ng Sparkle. Siyempre nakaka-overwhelm, nakakataba ng puso. Nakakatuwa lang talaga because we also felt we need more people like him to guide us, to hone us, to help us innovate kung ano pa yung pwede namin gawin as artists.